Coaches, what is going on? Thomas here from MyCoach Ai, and today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to create essentially your own little exercise library to make your workout building a lot more efficient. And you'll see in a second what I mean by that here. But essentially, we are just going to work on crafting a bit of your own library of core workouts that you use a lot and that you use in your programming. And I'm going to show you how that can really accentuate and make more efficient your process of building workouts. And if you do this in the beginning, it will save you tons and tons of time building your workouts down the road. So let's quickly go into it. Now, to preface a little bit of information, I'm going to just go into the workouts library, right up here. And I want to show you that when we go to create workouts, all of this is super straightforward, right? We have two kind of sections here using this switch that we can look within when we're adding exercises. So if I just type in a bench press, if I spell it correctly, that is, I will super quickly find the actual bench press that I'm looking for. It's a very, standard exercise. But here's the catch. The MyCoach Ai system has 22,000 exercises. It's a lot. And that's, of course, to your benefit, right? You have a lot of stuff to work with. It also means that when you're looking for exercises and you just use the default AI library, so to speak, our library, so to speak, to search for your exercises, it means that you're always looking within those 22,000. So if I use a little bit more of, a generic search term like a press, there is still going to be a massive amount of exercises that match your search term. So we have a way to make this a little bit more efficient because let's be honest, you do not use 22,000 exercises in your program, right? Likely 20, 30, 40 exercises are going to make up the vast majority of your workout programming, which is exactly why we can work with another library that we call the My library. And I'm going to show you right here as we go into the exercises section. So this is the exercises library where you have, again, this distinction. You have My exercises up here that we can view all, and AI exercises down here that you can also view all. Now, once again, AI exercises simply means everything that we already provide, the full 22,000 of them. And then the My exercises library is number one, anything that you have added to the system yourself. So you have the ability to create your own exercises, and those will be added under here. But it also is combined with anything that you have saved from the AI exercises database and then saved to your own. That's also a possibility. And that's the core of the principle we're doing here. And you want to use both, right? Upload your own if ever needed, but likely you'll find it in the AI exercises section. But our goal here is to craft a bit of a My exercises database that is much smaller than the AI exercises database. And we're going to do that by just going into the AI exercises database. And I'm sure if you go to sit down right now for yourself as a coach, and you try to think of the 20 most used exercises in your programming, that you can easily come up with those. So what you're going to do is simply look those up right here in the AI exercises section. To go with a simple example, again, I'm going to look for a bench press. I look that up. And don't forget here, use the tags. This is going to make it a lot easier for you to find everything by location, by equipment, by the muscle group, everything like that. Go search for your exercise. In that way, not just search terms, it's going to make your search a lot more efficient. But what we'll notice is once we find our exercise that you use a lot, just simply scroll down on the page and you will find this button that says Save as New. This is going to save it and copy it over, so make a copy of it in the My Exercises section. So we just see this has been added. So if you simply do this with 20, 30, 40 exercises that you use a lot in your programming, you look them up in here, you scroll down until you find that Save as New button, you make a copy of it and save it to your own, you're now slowly building out the My Exercises database. And of course, at the end of the day, if you cannot find anything in the AI exercises section, unlikely, but if you really can't, you can simply create exercise, upload a file, use a YouTube link, Loom link, whatever it may be, and upload it from there. Super easy to do as well. But this way, after a little bit of work, and it's not going to take you a lot of time, but you will have a My Exercises database of, say, 50 exercises that is going to make up pretty much all of your workout programming. And once again, going back to the workouts to go full circle, when you then go to create a new workout, and you go search for exercises, and you don't sit on AI here, but you sit on My, As you can see, I can literally type into letters and instantly the stuff that is relevant to what I'm usually programming with will immediately show up, and not the hundreds of exercises that may match the search term if you look for it in the AI section, right? This is going to make your workout building a lot faster, okay? Build your little My Exercises database, use our database plus anything that you need to upload. Spend a little bit of time on that in the very beginning. And I promise you, within just a couple workouts, you're going to win that time back. And then from there, save a lot of time as you build more workouts. Little pro tip, absolutely go and do this. That's how you can work more efficiently using the My Exercises database. For more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not part yet of MyCoach Ai, go to the link in the description because we have a full demo for you. And otherwise, I'll just see you in the next one.